Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to pay seller on 1688 Chinese shopping app without any sweat. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao or pinduoduo or IDVish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, if you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app. Having opened up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to search for product from different supplier on 1688. There are so many ways by which you can use to search for products. One of the first easy way is to come to the top right here. Type the name of the product you are looking for right here and hit on search, and you are going to see a similar result. Alternatively, you can go ahead and click on this camera icon right here, which allows you to upload product picture sample. And with that, you are going to see a similar result. Alternatively, you can click on here. This will allow you to see different manufacturer of different type of goods in China at this particular section. Getting here, next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see different factories. After you have able to search for products, add the product to cart, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. So all the products you have in your cart is going to be found right here, just like what you see right here. So I'm going to go ahead and pay for this particular goods. Next thing I'm going to do is to select the product. Having selected the product, I click on here to proceed to checkout. So here we go. So I'm paying the sum of 120.24 yuan to purchase this particular product. Next thing I need to do is to scroll down right here and then choose my means of payment from here. So click on here. So in this tutorial, I'm using Alipay. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Alipay right here. Having selected my Alipay, I'll click on here to proceed to payment. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and enter my payment password to complete the payment. Now you can see the debit alert from my Alipay account. So payment done successful. Payment done successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and make a screenshot of this proof of payment. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to close this pop-up. By the time I refresh my cart right here, you see the product is no longer here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, the product we just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So here we go. You have it right here. Lastly, I will go ahead and exit from my 1688 right here and go to my WhatsApp right here and send the proof of payment to the person that asked me to pay for them on 1688. So this particular contact right here. So I will go ahead and make sure I click on here and select the feature from my gallery. Click on the proof of payment and say payment made. And hit on send. It's that simple. So you can see my conversation with this particular person right here. This is the time when they send the link and our conversation so far. It's that simple. If this is exactly you want me to do for you, you want me to pay a Chinese supplier on 1688, Taobao, IDVish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.